Hello, what is your name?
Hello, ma'am. I am Dumera Busain Ubinayo.
How old are you?
I am 29 years old.
What is your religion?
I am Christian, ma'am.
Are you married?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am.
How many kids you have?
I have 2 kids, ma'am.
How old are they?
They are 10 and 5 years old.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
I work for 1 year and 11 months.
Do you have any working experience in other countries?
None, ma'am.
So how long you been working with your previous employer?
I work for them for 1 year and 4 months.
Where's your employer living in?
They live in Chao Kewan, Hong Kong side, ma'am.
Okay, so how many square feet of your employer's house?
600 square feet, ma'am.
How many family members there?
They are 3, ma'am.
How many children?
They have 1 kid, ma'am.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up say 6 o'clock in the morning and prepare the kids' food, help her change her clothes, and bring her to the school bus stop. And after that, I go back home to eat and do the household works until afternoon. And at 3 o'clock, I go down again to fetch the kid and help her in doing her homeworks, read her books, and teach simple English.
Okay, so do you cook for dinner?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what time you cook for the dinner?
Around 6:30 in the evening, ma'am.
Okay, so what time they eat?
7 o'clock, ma'am.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
10 o'clock, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much.